Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use the flashcards interaction. I'd like to show you how to determine how many cards you'd like to have display in this interaction, as well as like to show you how to add your content into it. To start off, let me just go ahead and play it with the default settings so you can see how it works. Right now it's set to have 13 cards, and you click on each card to display the content. So I'd like to show you how to populate this content, as well as the card name, and how to determine how many cards can actually go into this. Now, on the naming convention of these interactions, you'll notice that it's INV9, FlashCards 16. This last number right here is the max amount of cards that you can have. So you can really have up to 1 card to 16 cards as your choices. Now, the way you can actually determine how many cards you want is you're going to have to go into the action script layer and click on the little A right here on the frame 1. So we highlight that A, and then we need to open up our actions panel. And I'm just going to slide it right on over here. If it's not already open for you, just go up to Window and Actions, and that'll open up your Actions panel. Now, within your Actions panel, it says that it's already set to BTNS 13. It says change the number below to how many buttons you want. 16 is the max. So let's go ahead and max it out. We're just going to change this to 16. And if you wanted to, you can change this to 8 or any number between 1 and 16. So I'm going to keep BTNS 16. Now be really careful not to accidentally change the BTNS. That will break the game and the programming for it. So now that it's changed to 16, I'm going to go ahead and just give you a quick preview just to show you that all 16 will actually show now in the final product. Now let's see how we can actually change the card names for each of these. So what we're going to do is in the library, I'm going to go down to the button titles. BTN title 1. So that's our button number 1. Double click on it, and I'm going to zoom in just so we can see it here. Very simple to do. All you need to do is just double click on the card 1. Give it the title that you want, the name. You can move it anywhere within the red box. The red box is just a guide to show you how much space you have. If you like to actually even put a picture there, you can go File, Import, Import to Stage. Select an image that you have on your computer. And that's really big image. We're going to go ahead and use the Transform tool, scale that down, and position it so it fits right within the red box. So if you want to add images there, do it just like that. You do the same thing for the content. So when they click on, that button title number 1 flashcard, the content that would show up would be the content 1 underneath the content folder. I'm going to double click that movie clip and zoom it out just so we can see it better here. Same kind of thing. You double click into the text. You can copy and paste stuff from a storyboard or just type your own in here. And once again, you can move that anywhere within the red box that you like. And I'm going to go ahead and add that exact same image into here. And since I already imported it in, it's in my library, and I'm just going to drag it right on over. And let's make this go ahead and fit in here. Put our text up here. And there we go. And you'd want to do that for each one of the button titles as well as each one of the content areas. And once you have that all in, you can do your publish, and you see that our title right here is already there with our image. Click on that, and it shows the content that we placed in there. So that's how you add content into the flashcards interaction and how you set the actual card number.